So for this strategy, you need a MACD indicator. So it's this one. All right. And the setting is 7, 19, and 7. All right. And then you need 200 EMA. And then you need a Supertrend indicator. So it's this one. So I use default setting. Don't change anything. Okay, so for buy, you want the super trend to be red, and you want a price to be above the 200 EMA, and the MACD has to cross from below the zero line. Okay, so the middle line, it cross from below that, cross up. Okay, so here we have a signal. All right. So the stop loss is the last logical swing high, swing low. So let's say it's here. So you can target 1 to 2 or whatever. Okay, and the reason why we buy when the super trend is red is because we want to buy the retracement near the 200 EMA. Okay, so that's the logic behind it. And you can only buy you can only take one signal per super trend. Okay, so I'll explain that in a minute. So okay, so we have another signal here. So the super trend is red. All right, and the price is still above the 200 EMA. And then you have a cross up from below the zero line. Okay, so the stop loss is maybe right there. So you can target 1 to 2. All right. And then, okay, so the price is below 200 EMA, so we can't take this. Okay, so here we have another one. Okay, we can't take this because it must cross up from below the zero line. Okay, so here. Okay, super trend is red. So we can take this. Stop loss is maybe right there or right there. Can target 1 to 2 or whatever. All right. Okay, so we can only take one signal per super trend. So what I mean by that is, let's say you have a signal here, so you have a buy here, okay, and then you get stopped out or something, and then you have another signal here, so you don't take it. Okay, you can only take the first signal only. The reason is because the price might do a reversal. So we don't take the second or the third. Okay, so we only take the first signal of the super trend. Okay, so we need the super trend to change color in order to reset. Okay, and another thing is the price must be close. The price must be near the 200 EMA. Okay, so here I would not buy this. Okay, because it's too far away. You want to buy near the 200 EMA. Okay, and you only take the first signal of the super trend. If you still don't understand, just comment down below. I'll explain better. Okay, so for sell, it's the opposite. The price has to be below 200 EMA, and the super trend has to be green. Okay, and the MACD has to cross down from above the zero line. Okay, so here is a signal. Sell there, and the stop loss is maybe right there. So you can target 1 to 2 or whatever. Okay, so here we have another signal here. So the super trend is green, and MACD crossed down from above the zero line and below 200 EMA. So we can take this. You can target 1 to 2 or whatever. And here you have another signal. All right. Okay, the price is near the 200 EMA, so that's important criteria as well. If it's too far away, you don't take it. Okay, so stop loss is maybe right there. Okay, can target 1 to 2. Okay, so here the price, I think it crossed from above the zero line, and the super trend is green. Okay, so we can take this. Stop loss is maybe right there, and you can target whatever. All right. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks.